stuck in the matrix, stuck in doing the same old, and expecting different results. And guess what? You're going to keep getting the same old thing, right? So, first thing you want to do is pick a niche. What is a niche? Pick a topic. Pick something to discuss, to talk about. Something that you know how to do, okay? If you are a mechanic, you know how to do, fix on cars real good. Okay, talk about repairing on cars. If you are a plumber and you know how to fix plumbing leaks, water pipes, etc., talk about plumbing, okay? If you're an electrician, if you are a doctor, if you are an attorney, right? Talk about what you know, okay? Talk about topics surrounding of the information that you know, all right? Number 2, create a social media page. Create a new social media page that is surrounded by the topic or the niche that you will be discussing and talking about. Guys, this is very, very important, okay? Create a new page. I highly recommend you create a new page. You can do and rebrand yourself for the page that you already may have, but I highly recommend you to open up a second page, a new page discussing this new topic that you're going to be discussing, right? Remember, you are the brand, okay? I'm the brand, me, okay? And you. All right. Third thing is post the content. Guys, I can't stress this enough. Post the freaking content, right? A lot of people say, Monica, I'm so scared. Will the people think this? Will the people think that? Will the people think I look this? I look this way. I look fat. I look ugly. Calm down and post the freaking content, okay? And I'm going to tell you something. We all start somewhere, right? We all have these same insecurities. We all have these same fears. We all have these sayings, what if, I look this, who cares? You may have some information that is going to change someone's life. Keep that in back of your mind. That is the goal, right? That is the goal. So, post the freaking content at least 2 to 3 times a day. 2 to 3 times a week if you don't want to post it every day. But make the content, post it, and stop gatekeeping on the information that could possibly change someone's life, okay? So this is how you're going to level up in 2025. I hope this information is helping someone. Listen, guys, if you don't have your footprint online yet, this is the perfect way to just get started. These are just basic steps, but this is something that you can get started like right now. Not tomorrow, not in 5 minutes, not next week, but like right now. Come here. Right now. Okay? So, thank you so much for tuning in, Bet on Yourself podcast. Once again, I hope this information is helpful and useful for someone. Till the next time that we talk, until the next time in this video, please like, subscribe, and follow this page. Okay, guys, it really helps me out if you like and give me a thumbs up. If you subscribe to this channel, right? If you like more content like this, please subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. Blessings to you all. Bet on yourself. Until the next time. Toodles.